Welcome to Smart Tech, the channel where we explore the latest advancements in agricultural technology and agroengineering. The Beet Harvester Tiger 8 is one technological advancement that is helping farmers achieve greater efficiency and productivity in harvesting sugar beets. It's a self-propelled machine that's designed to lift and separate sugar beets from the soil. It's equipped with a series of advanced features, including automatic steering, high-resolution cameras, and adjustable lifting system. The Tiger 8 is also equipped with a cleaning system that can remove excess dirt and debris from the sugar beets. The Broad 9070L is a grape harvester produced by the French agricultural equipment manufacturer New Holland Agriculture. The harvester is designed to harvest grapes in vineyards with precision and efficiency. It includes a powerful engine that can handle tough terrain, a high-capacity picking head that can harvest up to 7,000 kilograms of grapes per hour, and a gentle grape handling system that minimizes damage to the fruit during harvesting. The Agrimeter SRS 1200 is a highly precise instrument that is used to inject liquid fertilizer directly into the soil, providing plants with essential nutrients for growth and development. The distribution system is made up of hoses and nozzles that are used to inject the liquid fertilizer into the soil. The tank is used to store liquid fertilizer, while the pump is used to move the fertilizer from the tank to the distribution system. The company Nexat presents a completely new harvesting system, which has only become possible through the latest technical developments. As the basic framework, the 1100 horsepower Nexat tractor is used, also known as a wide-span interchangeable carrier vehicle. Various attachments for soil cultivation, sowing, and harvesting can be attached to this machine. The work is carried out using the controlled traffic farming method. Kahlbacher is an Austrian company that specializes in producing snow removal equipment for commercial and industrial use. One of their key product lines is their milling rotor snow blowers, which are designed to quickly and efficiently clear large amounts of snow from roads, runways, and other surfaces. They work by using a high-speed rotor to cut and mill the snow before blowing it out through a chute. Large-scale beet harvesting is an essential process in modern agriculture, and one of the most efficient ways to do it is by using the Holmer Terra Dos 5 beet harvester. To further increase efficiency and productivity, the Holmer Terra Dos 5 beet harvester is often compared with the new John Deere 8 RX tractor. Together, these machines provide an unbeatable combination of speed, efficiency, and reliability, making them an ideal choice for large-scale beet harvesting operations. The Maestro 16 SX is a tractor-mounted planter that is designed to work with a John Deere tractor. This machine is equipped with a variety of features that make it ideal for planting a wide range of crops, including corn, soybeans, sunflowers, and more. This system uses precision seed meters to ensure that each seed is planted at the correct depth and spacing, resulting in more consistent and uniform growth. The JCB 8330 is a powerful tractor with a robust design that makes it ideal for handling heavy-duty tasks like slurry spreading. It features a large capacity tank that can hold a significant amount of liquid manure, which makes it possible to cover large areas of farmland without needing frequent refills. The tractor also comes equipped with a specialized spreading mechanism that ensures even distribution of the liquid manure across the field. The Case IH Quadtrac 620 is considered to be one of the most powerful tractors in the world. One of the key features of this tractor is its 4-track design, which provides superior traction and stability on even the most uneven terrain. The 4-track design also helps to reduce soil compaction, which is essential for maintaining soil health and fertility. The tracks are made of durable materials that can withstand heavy loads and rough terrain. Reversible semi-mounted plows are a type of plow used in modern agriculture for tillage purposes. They're designed to be semi-mounted, which means that they're attached to the tractor using a 3-point hitch, but also have wheels of their own that support the plow's weight and help control its depth. They're often used in conjunction with other tillage equipment, such as disc harrows and cultivators, to prepare seed beds for planting. A snow groomer is a self-propelled vehicle on tracks, based on the design of a tractor. This type of transportation is intended for preparing ski trails and mountain snow-covered slopes, transporting people and rescue operations. The movement of the vehicle is provided by wide tracks with spikes, ensuring stability and allowing it to move on snowy mountain slopes. The tracks are over 1 meter wide, exerting little pressure on the snow and providing excellent stability on mountain slopes. The Flexicoil 3850 is a popular air drill for seeding crops. It is known for its reliability and efficiency in delivering consistent seeding depth and spacing. Seeding complex crops requires specialized equipment that can handle different seed sizes, shapes, and weights, and the Flexicoil 3850 is designed to do just that. The metering system ensures that the seed is delivered to the toolbars at a consistent rate, ensuring uniform seeding. The CAT 365C excavator is a large, heavy-duty piece of construction equipment manufactured by Caterpillar Incorporated. This excavator is designed to handle a wide variety of tasks, from digging and earth moving to demolition and construction. It is built to handle big jobs with a maximum operating weight of over 72 metric tons. The cab is spacious and comfortable, with plenty of room for the operator to move around and adjust their position as needed. The CAT 6040 excavator is specifically designed for large-scale mining operations and heavy-duty excavation projects. With a weight of approximately 1,400 tons, this excavator is one of the largest hydraulic excavators in the world. These include a high-capacity bucket, which can hold up to 34 cubic meters of material, and a powerful hydraulic system that allows the operator to move large amounts of earth and rock quickly and efficiently. The Crawler Bulldozer Case 1650L is a powerful and versatile piece of heavy equipment designed for earth moving and construction tasks. It features a durable undercarriage and a powerful engine, making it ideal for demanding jobs in tough environments. The operator's cab is spacious and comfortable, with plenty of room to move and a range of features designed to make work easier and more efficient. New Eagle wheel trenchers are a type of equipment used for digging trenches in the ground for various purposes, such as laying pipes, cables, or drainage systems. These trenchers are known for their durability, efficiency, and versatility in handling different types of terrain. Crawler trenchers are often preferred over wheel trenchers for heavy-duty excavation work, as they can handle larger loads and operate in more challenging conditions. Roll press pickers, also known as balers, are agricultural machines used to compress hay, straw, or other materials into compact bales. The Comprima series of balers, manufactured by Krone, is a popular choice among farmers due to its reliability and efficiency. One of the key advantages of the Comprima baler is its versatility. It can handle a variety of crops, from dry hay to moist silage, and can create bales of different sizes depending on the needs of the farmer. A bucket wheel excavator is a large piece of heavy equipment used in surface mining to extract minerals from open pit mines. In a lignite quarry, bucket wheel excavators are typically used to extract lignite, which is a type of low-grade coal that is used primarily for energy production. The excavator is equipped with a large rotating wheel, or bucket wheel, that is fitted with a series of digging buckets. Additionally, it can be operated in a variety of weather conditions, making them highly versatile and reliable.